Hello.
Hello,
Okay, how are you today?
I'm happy.
You're happy. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Quang.
Okay, very good. So are you ready?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay, let's start. Now, this is
Grandma,
very good. How about this one?
Grandpa,
Good job. Is this?
Daddy,
Daddy. Is this?
Mommy,
Very good. And this one?
Baby,
Baby. Who is this?
Brother,
And this is?
Sister,
Okay, very good. Good job. Now, let's go here. What is
School,
this?
School,
School.
Class,
Class. Room.
Classroom,
Room. Okay, what is this?
Book
Book. What color is this?
is blue.
Blue. What is this?
Chair,
Chair. What is this?
Table
Table. What color is the table?
is green.
Okay, very good. Now let's go here. What room is this?
Bedroom,
Bedroom. What room is this?
bedroom,
Okay, very good. What room is this?
kitchen,
Kitchen. And what is this?
living room.
Living room. Very good. Now let's go here. What are these?
Uh,
These are? These are? Food.
food,
Food. Okay. What are these?
fruit,
Fruits.
fruit,
Okay. And these are?
vegetables,
Very good. Now, what food is this?
hamburger,
Good. Next, what food is this? Meat.
meat,
Meat. Okay. What food is this?
noodles,
Okay. And this is?
rice.
Okay. What food do you like?
I
I
like
like.
burger.
Okay. Very good. Good job. Goodbye.